Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi and today I'm going to be showing you a simple animation trick in Canva. Okay, before I proceed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can also follow me on Instagram at Scale of Austin. Now let's jump over to the tutorial. This, you may have seen this animation. Let me reduce the volume so YouTube doesn't give me problems. Now, there's one particular part that I want to show you, and that's this part, how I was able to achieve this. Let's do that again. To the tutorial. Now, I'm going to open a custom size template. Go for 3000 by 3500. Create a new design. And I want you to watch it again so you can see what. Check check this out. Come on. One shoot different colors. So we're focusing on this. Now this is our page. This is our page. This is my Instagram page. There's a lot to learn here, so you can just follow me on Instagram at Scale of Austin, and I'll also be sharing more tips on my Instagram channel, in my Instagram page too. So back to what we are. Now it's just one page, so I'll go to text and click add a heading. Now the font I used was Anton, that's Anton. So we're gonna search for Anton. This is Anton. Nope, not antique Anton. Come on. I think I used a 610. So we have colors, place it in the middle and apply the holo effect. Take it all the way. I'll leave it at 25. So we have colors 610. And I was focusing on just one aspect of the animation. So now what I did was, this is the first text, okay? So I duplicated this. There's a lot of duplication. Change the color. Let's just use different colors. Now this is green. Duplicated this. This is blue. Duplicated this. Purple. Make sure it's on the same line. Duplicated this. Make this color. Duplicated this orange. Duplicated this. Get the blue. Make this pink. Just a whole lot of colors. This blue, I don't think I have it. Duplicate a yellow. Duplicate this red. Duplicated this purple. There's actually no pink here, but this could pass. Pink, orange, much more lighter yellow. So I've duplicated quite a lot. I think I'm going to stop very soon and just show you. It's 4 minutes already, and I don't want to take much of your time. Let's make this color. Oh crap. Okay, and then I grouped all the text and went to the animate and stump selected stump. Now the timer was, I think, 3.2, let's leave it at 3.3. So we're going to play this now. Let me show you this again. Check. This is it's now let's play it. I'm not going to add any sound. I'm just going to now remember what I did was I typed in colors, then duplicated it in multiple colors. And after that, I grouped all of them and used stump animation. I'm breaking it down for you so it's easy for you to understand. Then after that, I set the timer so it's not too long and not too short, 3.3 seconds. It's fine. Now I'm going to click on play so you can see it. See? Now if you add sound, it's going to look really nice. So that was how I achieved that particular trick. So you can do that. Maybe if you want to do a YouTube intro or something like that, then this would really be helpful to you. So selected all and stump. Now you can also select other animations for this. It doesn't have to be just stump. See? See this? See? Breathe, the colors are all changing. Pop, pop, you have stump. See? Wow. Different color combinations. So doesn't have to be just stump. See, burst. That's beautiful. Burst, bounce. Just see, this will make your design to look really nice. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Can you see? This is really amazing. So I use stump, but it doesn't have to be just stump for you. Okay, it doesn't have to be just stump for you. There's a whole lot, right? The colors are changing. It doesn't have to be just colors also. See, look, fade, the colors are changing, and this would really be attractive. Okay, you can use this for an ad, if an YouTube, for a YouTube intro, and so much more. So I believe you've learned something from this and you're going to be practicing. Okay, this, please, if you learned something, you just let me know in the comment section. Like, and please follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I will be encouraged to share more tutorials that will be helpful to you in your Canva journey. So that's all for now. Bye bye. My name remains Kalechi Okori and I am a Canva expert.